Hello, my little home essentials. It's
Halloween.
It's the start of the holiday season, and what that means is people are coming over and they're staying over. And a lot of us are renters who don't have space for a guest room. And a lot of us are not subscribed. 88% of you are not subscribed. That's so weird. You keep coming back, but you're not subscribing. You're not clicking that little red button. It's super easy. Go ahead and do that. Also, 85% of you are women. So if you've watched the video where I designed my home office that's also serving as our guest room, you're all caught up. If you haven't, I'll wait. Pause the video. Go watch that video. Long story short, I designed my home office to be modular to easily convert from an office to a guest room. It doesn't have to be an extra room. You just need to be thoughtful about how you're designing a space to make sure that it can flex with your needs. Same applies for any space in your home. If it's a dining area and you're not really a formal dining type of person, don't use that space for a dining area. It's okay. Design is personal. We are the ones living in our homes 100% of the time, so we should be designing it for us. Say it with me. For us. We design it for ourselves. And it could easily be well-placed room dividers. It could be a sleeper sofa. It could be an inflatable mattress like what I have. Something that you can use not just for one purpose, but dual purpose is always going to be great when you're restricted on space. And regardless of if you're a subscriber or a woman, today I'm going to show you that all it takes is a little bit of planning and design magic to make a considerate, demure guest space. I think this is probably right. It gives each person enough room to get in and out. Little side table. Watch out. Don't comment on my outfit. It's been a week. I think I like this setup more than if the bed were turned, just because this has enough room on, not a ton, but it has at least a little bit of room on either side for the person to get out of bed and not disturb. Because it's an air mattress, so like I'm trying to make the disturbances as minimal as possible, even though it's gonna kind of be impossible. Let me turn this on. I got this light in Vancouver off of Facebook Marketplace, and I just thought it was really cute. Like I thought it was like something kind of different than anything else I owned. So it was a nice little piece to kind of mix styles. I'm gonna put some bedding on this, and then I'm gonna clean the office area over here just because I just got done with work. Then after I put the bedding on, I can style the room and make it really cute. So let's go. The real question is, do I have enough bedding? That is to be determined. Definitely gonna need more pillows. I feel like we don't have enough. I haven't gotten new bedding for the queen mattress yet. But it looks like I have this like cream bedding that could be kind of cute with the red and the blue. So I think I might just do that because I don't really have another option. I'm just working with what I got. Like I said, it's been a hard week. Our fridge broke down earlier this week and we lost about like $200 something grocery. Oh, wow. We lost $200 worth of groceries. What is it? We just got that replaced this morning, so at least, we have a fridge for the people coming to stay. Hello, my sweet little baby. Plus like work stuff, plus life stuff. It's just been really hard. I'll talk about it in a future video, but just a lot's going on and a lot of exciting stuff. a lot of difficult stuff. We're just doing what we can. And stuff is nubby. Honey, you need to be careful. You're gonna break the, honey. Honey, I don't like that. You're gonna use your nails and you're gonna pop the air mattress, you little fatty. Let's go. Let's wait until I get the thing on and then you can play, okay? Okay, let's see if this like even is acceptable to have on or if it's too old and worn to look good. It doesn't look bad actually. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. Ooh, girl, hello? Can somebody tell me why I'm sweating putting bedding on? Just had to open the window because it's hot. Like I know I'm wearing sweatpants, but like, am I out of shape? Maybe, probably. Jesus. Okay, we're pulling this away from the wall to get this in. That looks decent. No, that's not the word I'm looking for. It looks acceptable. Got the fitted sheet on, the rest should be relatively easy. Just a question, do I rotate the mattress? I could. Okay, we're rotating. We're doing it. This bed like barely fits in here, and now I have to turn it. And there's a rip in the bedding. Great, great. Having the flat side actually might help it like set up against the wall a little bit better. Okay, you can come back in. And if we need to fill it up, we can. Hi, Fairy. You inspecting my work? This is the first time that we're having people stay with this kind of new layout situation. So this is almost like a prototype. I don't think this is the final iteration. Like obviously there's always room for improvement, but like actually we're just working with the bare minimum right now to test out how the room works and what else we might need. I prefer to like grow with the space instead of just getting everything all at once. So I try to go slow as I get into it and figure out what does the space need. And I knew I already had like old bedding. So like, yes, this does need new bedding. I just haven't had time to order it. Nubbles. Wow. He loves playing in the bed. Wow. He loves it. It's his favorite time. I think minimal as possible. My goodness. You are so nasty. You're so nasty. Okay, let's get some pillowcases. I don't think these go with it. This is also a top sheet, but I could do a layered look. I could do a layered look. I might. I think I'm gonna do a layered look. Because I think that this will actually like help it like have more layers, but they're all thin layers. So instead of like a thick blanket and just the sheet, like this might give them just enough. And then I'll obviously have a throw or something on top of it. But this will help, I think, have some coverage, but it doesn't feel like suffocating in a hot room. What type of sleepers are you all? I need the room to be cold. That's just me. That's how I sleep best. What about you? Also, this is terrible, but I'm a face sleeper. I'm like a side/stomach sleeper. I'm trying to be better about it. Yeah, I actually like this. I like how this looks. I'm trying to be better about it and sleep on my back because it's apparently really bad for aging and also posture. So I'm gonna tear this up, sweetie. No nails. Good boy. I think we're just gonna like throw it over. I think that would feel like really like, I said no nails. Sorry, that's how I yell at him. I think if I just like drape it like this, like kind of lazily, I think it actually might look good. Okay, Papa, let's get off the bed. I know. You are so stubborn today. Okay, more pillows and pillowcases. I'm just bringing a ton of options. Okay, I see a cream and butter yellow. This is why I love and hate doing interior styling. I feel like it can be so simple, but I never make it that way. And I keep finding things in my house that I'm like, ooh, this would be cute to put in here. Like, calm down.
Calm down.
These are two pillows I got forever ago from IKEA. They're actually really, I don't even know if they sell them anymore. They're down-filling. I think they're 24 by 24, really great for like a situation like this where I don't have a headboard. Period. Look at that chop. And then I kind of want to pair it with maybe a yellow. I don't know if that would look weird, but I'm going to try it. Like a butter yellow, I think could look really nice and help pull some of the creamier tones a little warmer. Of course there's a stain on this one. Why does everything I own have a stain? I think a pen exploded in the dryer. Of course this one's like perfect. I'm gonna go look and see what other ones I have. Help me pick a color pillowcase. So I was gonna do these and make it like a butter yellow. This one has a pen stain on it. Oh, it's on this one.
Girl.
So I can try to wash it. But my other option is like this more like kind of beige color.
I think that's fine.
Well, this one's different actually. I think this is a different pillowcase.
The beige is fine, I think.
This one,
That one's a weird color.
this one's a weird color. I think this one got mixed in with blues. Why are we so bad at laundry? If you have a pillowcase that's too big, you can actually fold it inside itself. Like this. And that helps it feel a little bit tighter to the pillow. Chop. Chop. Always chop them pillows. And ideally I would steam this, but I don't think I have enough time to, so sorry. It'll be wrinkled, but it'll be artfully wrinkled. Just to add some contrast, we're gonna do this one, especially because it's just an extra blanket I had. So I like to fold these in half and then fourth them so that it's more of like a skinny rectangle. And I put it at the foot of the bed. Kind of similar to how some hotels do it, because it's just like, if you want it, you want it. If you don't, that's also fine. Clean it up a little bit. Okay, cute. Not half bad. Sometimes I impress myself with how incredibly humble I am. Okay, so I got the bed set up. Next is cleaning out the office situation. So we're gonna do that. First, Anubis, honey, I need you to get out of this bedroom. Okay, first things first, laptop and laptop stand, mouse and keyboard. Unplugged monitor, because I feel like it's kind of weird to have this like in the room. So I'm gonna put this in the wardrobe. Conceal, don't feel. Let's let the audience decide what lamp. We have this one, cute, yes. Or we have this one. I think I like this one. Which one would you all do? Which one would you all do? Let me know. Let me know down in the comments. You think this one, the rice one? I think so too. Okay. Let's make as much noise as possible. Also, it's like hot in here and I don't know why. Okay, then we gonna move this. Like so, like that.
Real close to the edge, honey. I'm gonna push it up a little bit.
I know, give me a sec. Cute. And this is what it looks like behind the scenes. So we're just gonna tuck her away. I'm shopping. I think I need like a little notepad. I think that'd be cute. You heard me say that I was shopping, and that's essentially what it is. This concept of shopping your home is really just going around your house, taking little things from rooms that you're not going to notice are gone, and restyling them in a new spot to create a new little moment. All I did here was I placed a picture frame that I wasn't using on both sides just because that picture frame is leaning, a heavier mirror and a cat bookend to create a vignette, style those objects together. And my previous video was an ultimate example of this, where I went into my friend's apartment and did a $0 makeover using only what they already had. Shopping your home is a great way of reducing your consumption and saving money, especially during the holidays, and it challenges you creatively. It's one of the most fun things, in my opinion, that I do, because it creates this flow state, which is what I call design magic, which allows me to style moments instead of just rooms. And then I have these little things for this makeshift nightstand. I have one of my vintage IKEA candlesticks and two really good books. One is How to Think More Effectively, a guide to greater productivity, insight, and creativity. I was reading upside down. And then just a dictionary of color combination. This one's more of a visual book, but I think it's really fun to flip through sometimes. It's a little picture of the babies. So cute. Are you ready to see?
What are we seeing?
Le LM.
Le.
Le.
Oh, I love it. Oh, this is so cute. It's adorable. Little vanity station. Yeah, like this is.
Writing their manifesto.
Oh, I'm so inspired. It's so cute.
So I did like one reading book and then like one like graphic
The
book.
color in this is right.
Yeah.
Very right.
What do you think, Pharaoh?
He gives it 2 paws up. He actually loves this. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this. He loves this. He would do this all day if he could. You see this? Look at that long body. He loves this so much.
It looks so crazy.
It's crazy.
Cute boy.
Come here, Jenkins. He likes it. It looks great in here, honey. It's gonna look even better at night.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna get some shots before we get them. I'm so happy with how this room turned out, both the office and the guest room versions. Let me know down in the comments what you do to prepare for guests. What I do, and it's kind of my favorite thing, is when I know guests are coming over, it's the cleanest my home will ever be, and I'm obsessed with it. I hope my guests like the room I put together for them, and if you liked this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up because it really is appreciated. Go watch my other videos in my townhome series because I'm designing every single space. In my multi-floor apartment, there's a lot to watch, and that's all I have for you today. Make sure you subscribe and go follow me at Liam for Short on TikTok, Instagram, wherever you can find me at Liam for Short. Okay, bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye.